Hey there, keto enthusiasts. If you're craving something hearty, cheesy, and full of flavor, this recipe is for you. Today, we're making Keto Cheeseburger Casserole, a delicious dinner idea that's sure to become a family favorite. Let's get started. Ingredients you'll need: 1 pound of ground beef, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 2 eggs, half a cup of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of low-carb ketchup, dill pickles sliced, salt and pepper. Step 1. Cook the ground beef. Heat a skillet over medium heat and cook the ground beef until browned. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Drain any excess grease and set the beef aside. Step 2. Prepare the casserole base. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Spread the cooked ground beef evenly in the bottom of a baking dish. Add a layer of sliced pickles on top of the beef. Step 3. Mix the egg and cream mixture. In a bowl, whisk together the eggs, heavy cream, mustard, and low-carb ketchup. Pour this mixture over the beef and pickles, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Step 4. Add the cheese and bake. Sprinkle the shredded cheddar cheese over the top of the casserole. Place it in the oven and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Let it cool for a few minutes before serving, and enjoy all the flavors of a cheeseburger without the carbs. Be sure to check the description for a link to more mouth-watering keto recipes. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more keto content. See you in the next video.